Well, hi folks, this is Darren
And Dakota.
from My RV Works. What we have found here is an RV. This RV has 4 cable slide systems and they're breaking cables on different systems. I want you to look at that cable up top. If you were to look at that, you're going to see that this cable's got a little bit of a dog leg to it right up here. Let's bring the camera a little bit closer and show you what we're seeing. This cable here problem is a representation of a lot of other cable problems that we're having on this RV, and we're here to fix that. I want you to take a look at this cable right here. See that dog leg? Let's ask the question, why is that happening? Because what we have here is an imminent failure. Let's show you a couple more just to drive the point home. There's another one, okay? Let's go look at a few more. So here's one more example of a cable that is just not happy. You can see that little offset, that dog leg in there. As opposed to this one here, this one's a little bit straighter. Okay, so what is going on here? What you have happening up on the top, and the other ones that we experimented with and showed you, is the cable is not coming in square with that pulley. And so the pulley is pulling it, and then as the room gets closer and closer, the cable gets kind of binded down or binded up, and it's putting that stress on it. Therefore, you have that dog leg. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to fix this bracket here. We need to raise or lower this bracket to make sure that that cable is coming out of that pulley and attaching to this bracket at as close to a 90 degrees we can with respect to this wall.
For the month of June, we're offering a free month of membership to our RV Tech tier. To redeem, just click the link above or in the description. Once you're in, you'll be able to browse the library, join a monthly Zoom call, access exclusive worksheets, and use our tool discount. We're limiting this to the first 100 people, so once those spots are filled, the offer will close.